Hello children, how are you? Hope all of us are doing good. Now we will begin with our fourth chapter today and the topic or the title is Hercules. But before we begin this story, let us look at the knowledge bite. We face numerous challenges which require immense strength, perseverance and courage. So in life, we actually come across various situations where we need to face those situations with a lot of courage. The story teaches us the importance of facing our own challenges head on and finding ways to overcome them, even when the odds seem insurmountable. तो इस स्टोरी में हम जानेंगे कि जब हमारे सामने बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस आती हैं, तब अगर हम उन सिचुएशंस को बहुत ही करेज के साथ फेस करते हैं तो ना ही हम उन सिचुएशंस को ओवरकम कर पाते हैं, बल्कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर से स्ट्रॉन्ग भी हो जाते हैं. लेट्स रीड द स्टोरी नाउ. There was a strong and brave man in Greece. His name was Hercules. The king of Greece did not like him at all. So this story is set in Greece, where we come across a very strong and brave young man who is named Hercules. And he is not liked by the king of Greece. Now why should it be so? Let's read. He was jealous of Hercules as he was very popular in Greece. He thought that people might make Hercules the king. Therefore, he wanted to dispose of Hercules. Now, because Hercules was very brave and strong, he was very popular amongst the people. People liked him immensely. And this made the king frightened that the people might want to make Hercules the king. So that is why the king was always looking for ways in which to dispose of Hercules. Now, dispose of means when you try to make a person leave his position and go somewhere else. मतलब किसी इंसान को उसकी पोजीशन से अगर आप हटा देते हो तो आप उसे डिस्पोज करते हो. तो जो किंग है वो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे बहाने ढूंढता रहता था जिससे कि हरक्यूलिस को वो ग्रीस से दूर रखे और उसको इस पोजीशन से हटा दे जिसमें कि लोग उसको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट ही डिवाइसेस. He set difficult tasks for Hercules to keep him away from the country. So he would always give him something or the other which was very difficult to do so that Hercules is away from his country, that is Greece, most of the times. Once he asked Hercules to bring 3 golden apples. Some trees were said to bear golden apples in a place called Hesperides. But nobody knew the way to Hesperides. So the king thought of sending Hercules there for a period. Now it was believed at that time that there was this place called Hesperides where grew some trees on which grew golden apples. But nobody knew where Hesperides was. तो किंग के दिमाग में आइडिया आया. अब किसी को नहीं मालूम कि हेस्पेराइडिस कहाँ है, तो हरक्यूलिस को वहां भेज देते हैं और ये टास्क देते हैं कि वहां से वो 3 गोल्डन एप्पल्स लेके आए. ना उसको जगह मिलेगी, ना उसको एप्पल्स मिलेंगे और ना ही वो ग्रीस वापस आएगा. बट डज दिस हैपन? Let us see what happens next. So Hercules left the court and started for his journey. Now journey, as we know, is the act of moving from one place to another. So Hercules started on his journey. During the journey, he met 3 young women. Hercules asked them the way to Hesperides. So when he met these 3 young women during his journey, he obviously asked them to guide him as to where he might find this place of Hesperides. They told him to ask the old man of the sea, but they also warned him to squeeze the old man. Otherwise, he will escape. And he is the only person who knows the way. तो ये जो 3 औरतें इसको रास्ते में मिलती हैं, ये इसको समझाती हैं कि आपको एक बहुत ही बूढ़ा इंसान मिलेगा who is known as the old man of the sea. अब ये ही आपको गाइड कर सकता है कि हेस्पेराइडिस किस डायरेक्शन में है या वहां पे कैसे पहुंचा जा सके. But they warn him that you will have to squeeze him, that is, hold him very tightly. Otherwise, this old man will escape and he will not tell you the way to Hesperides. Hercules saw the old man. He was sleeping on the shore. Hercules walked to him silently and seized him very tightly. So when he reached the sea, he actually saw a very old man who was sleeping by the shore. Shore means the edge of the sea where you have sand. So he silently walks up to this sleeping old man and seizes him. Seized means when you hold something very tightly in your grip or in your hands. The old man woke up and opened his eyes. He was surprised to find himself in the grip of a young man. Grip also means a very tight hold. So this old man, when he woke up and opened his eyes, he saw कि एक बहुत ही जवान सा स्ट्रॉन्ग सा आदमी है, लड़का सा है जिसने उसको बहुत ही कस के पकड़ रखा है. Suddenly, he changed himself into a deer and tried to free himself from the clutches of Hercules. But Hercules held him firmly. Now, clutches also means a tight hold. So, what did this old man do when he woke up and found himself in a very tight grip of Hercules' hand? He changed himself into a deer and tried to escape and free himself from this hold that Hercules had on him. But Hercules, because he had been warned by those three women, continued to hold him very tightly. Then the old man changed himself into a seabird and then to other animal forms. But he could not free himself from the grip of Hercules because Hercules was making his grip tighter and tighter. तो ये जो ओल्ड आदमी था, इसने बहुत अलग अलग जानवरों के फॉर्म लिए ताकि किसी तरह से हरक्यूलिस के जो पकड़ थी उससे बच निकले. लेकिन हरक्यूलिस अपनी पकड़ और ज्यादा मजबूत करता गया and the old man was unable to escape. So let's see what happens next. At last, the old man said to Hercules, "Who are you? What do you want from me?" So obviously, when the old man could not escape from Hercules' grip, he finally had to give up and ask Hercules as to who he was and what did this man want from this old man. Hercules replied, "I am Hercules. Tell me the way to Hesperides." So obviously, Hercules only wanted to know the way to Hesperides, and that is what he asked the old man. The old man said, "It is an island. Go along the seashore, you will meet a giant. He will show you the way to Hesperides." So, अब ये जो ओल्ड इंसान थे, बूढ़े व्यक्ति थे, इन्होंने हरक्यूलिस को बताया कि ये एक आइलैंड है. You know what is an island? Island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये जो सी शोर है यानी सी का किनारा है, इस पे आप चलते जाओ, आगे जाके आपको एक जायंट मिलेगा. जायंट मीन्स अ ह्यूज पर्सन हु इज वेरी बिग. ठीक है? And that giant will tell Hercules the way as to how to reach Hesperides. So Hercules continued his journey. He met the giant. The giant was very big and strong. He was sleeping on the shore. Hercules woke him up. The giant became angry. तो Hercules जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ा, उसको giant नजर आया. Giant जो है सी शोर पे सो रहा था. तो Hercules ने उसको उठाया and because he had woken up the sleeping giant, the giant was very angry with Hercules. He struck Hercules with a club. Do you know what is a club? A wooden stick is called a club. Hercules stopped his charge and hit him with his strong fist. Then he lifted the giant and threw him down. अब Hercules कितना strong था? Not only did he stop the giant from hitting him, but he actually lifted the giant and threw him on the ground. Now fist means when you fold your fingers like this. ये जो मुट्ठी बनाना है इसको fist कहते हैं. So but the giant got up quickly. He had become 10 times stronger. Now when Hercules had thrown the giant on the ground, the giant got up. Not only did he get up very quickly, but he actually became 10 times stronger than he earlier had been. Hercules threw him down again and again, but each time the giant grew much stronger. So every time Hercules threw the giant on the ground, the giant got up and became stronger than before. Then Hercules lifted the giant high up in air. He did not throw him down. तो हरक्यूलिस को समझ आ गया कि जितनी बार वो जायंट को ग्राउंड पे पटकेगा ये और ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. So what was the trick now that Hercules applied? That he lifted the giant and held him in the air. If you can see this image here, like this. So he did not throw him to the ground. Now let's see what happened next. Then slowly, giant lost all his strength. Now when Hercules lifted him and kept holding him up in the air, the giant lost his strength, though slowly. He now begged Hercules to put him down on the earth. Hercules asked him to tell the way to Hesperides. The giant asked Hercules to meet Atlas. He told him the way to Hesperides. तो giant ने क्या करा फिर? Giant ने रिक्वेस्ट करी हरक्यूलिस से कि प्लीज मुझे नीचे उतार दो. नाउ व्हाई डिड द जायंट रिक्वेस्ट और बेग हरक्यूलिस टू पुट हिम डाउन? बिकॉज द जायंट हैड लॉस्ट ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ. सो हरक्यूलिस देन आस्क्ड हिम to tell him the way to Hesperides. That was the condition on which he would put the giant on the ground. So the giant then told Hercules that you have to meet Atlas, and then he told him the way to Hesperides कि आपने Hesperides की तरफ कैसे जाना है. Now Hercules continued his journey and finally he met Atlas. Why do you want the golden apples? Asked Atlas. So when Hercules met Atlas and asked him how to reach Hesperides, obviously Atlas, who knew the way to Hesperides, asked Hercules कि तुम वहां पे क्यों जाना चाहते हो? My king has ordered me to bring 3 golden apples, said Hercules. So Hercules told Atlas about the task that the king had set him, that Hercules was to bring 3 golden apples from Hesperides. The place is far away from here, but only I can go there. Hold the sky for me and I will bring them for you, said Atlas. So children, just imagine, Atlas was actually holding the sky in his hands. So then he tells Hercules that only I can get those 3 apples for you. So but for me to get them for you, you have to now hold the sky in my place. So Hercules agreed. He held the sky on his shoulders. Atlas walked away. He was back in a short while. He placed the 3 golden apples near the foot of Hercules. Hercules thanked Atlas. He requested to take back the sky from him. तो Atlas जो है वो गया, बहुत ही जल्दी वापस लौटा और उसने 3 गोल्डन एप्पल्स हरक्यूलिस के पास नीचे जमीन पर रखे. अब हरक्यूलिस क्योंकि वो एटलस की जगह पे स्काई को, आसमान को पकड़ के खड़ा था, तो उसने फिर एटलस से रिक्वेस्ट करी कि प्लीज ये स्काई मुझसे वापस ले लो. फिर उसने एटलस का शुक्रिया किया. Why? Because Atlas had brought the 3 golden apples for him. So Hercules quickly picked the 3 golden apples. He bid Atlas goodbye and walked away towards Greece. So when Atlas had taken the sky back in his hands or on his shoulders, then Hercules picked up those 3 golden apples, thanked Hercules and started walking towards Greece. Hercules reached his homeland Greece after many days of travel. तो बहुत दिन चलने के बाद हरक्यूलिस फाइनली अपनी कंट्री ग्रीस वापस पहुंचा. He gave the 3 golden apples to the king. The king was surprised to see Hercules alive. Now the king had actually not expected that not only would Hercules be able to find Hesperides, but to find him Returning to Greece with the 3 golden apples was something that the king had simply not expected Hercules to accomplish. So he pretended not to have been satisfied. He was privately planning to send him away on another formidable adventure. Now, pretend means to behave and act like something is a fact. So, when Hercules returned to the kingdom and presented those 3 apples to the king, he was not happy because he was surprised कि Hercules जो है वो जिंदा वापस लौट आया है. अब उसने pretend करा कि वो अभी भी Hercules से खुश नहीं है. Now what he was doing, the king was actually planning in his mind that what another challenge or adventure can he give to Hercules so that he does not remain in the country. Now formidable means frightening. So children, we saw in this story, despite this very tough challenge that the king had given to Hercules, he did not feel afraid or frightened at all. He simply took the challenge and started on his journey. On the way, he asked so many people he met about the way to reach this place called Hesperides. Finally, he was able to reach there. In Hesperides, Atlas gave him again a very tough challenge to hold the sky till the time Atlas got those apples from him. But Hercules faced all those obstacles and challenges and emerged a victor.